Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me a question. I've got a video on this, uh, but I maybe hadn't gone over all this. If the person wants to draw a line or a circle, an ellipse, from a particular point on the page, so you're going to use the control button and the shift button at the same time. So grab your ellipse tool and put it right there on that node. Hold down the shift and the control button, and it'll grow from that line. So that line will now be in the center. Don't worry about what size it is, because later on you can make it 4 inches. If we hit, you can make it 4 inches. It's still in the center. So hold down the shift and the control. So what the control button does, the control button makes it perfect. The shift key makes it grow from the outside in. I'm just holding down the shift. So if you want it to grow from a particular spot, the shift key is going to make it grow from the outside, inside out, but the control button is going to make it perfect. So you can make it whatever size you want and then make it 4 inches like the other one, and you've got two circles exactly. That doesn't matter, what you use. If you use an indexing line and an indexing line, you can do the exact same thing from two indexing lines. Just it doesn't really, well, let's see if we have snap to on. Snap to guidelines, and let's grab the ellipse tool. You can see the edge, and then hold down the control and the shift. I didn't have a ellipse button. See it actually says intersection. Here it says edge. There it says center, because now it's the center of the circle or the ellipse. So if we take that away and we grab the ellipse, you can see it says right there intersection. Hold down the shift and the control, and it's going to grow from that area. This is very important for people that are doing cutting holes in a particular piece and they need them so far apart. Like if, just for instance, if you took this indexing line, put your nudge factor on 5 inches, click on it, hit the plus key, and make the other one 5 inches away. The easiest thing to do is, once you have this, just nudge it over 5 inches. But if you don't have that set up in your nudge factor, just go to that intersection and grow. And then it's hard to make them the same size, but if you want them the same size, we're going to make that 1.5. Just click on this one and make it 1.5, because it's going to grow from the table, or the Corel is going to make it go from the center out. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.